This is my 2000 Chevy Tahoe. I have 4 BDC4 audio pipe, 15-inch. Have 1 6.5 and 1 tweeter in each door, all 4 doors. Run by this Planet Audio 1600 by 4. Have another 1600 by 4. Running all these. 2 batteries underneath the seats. Oh, the subs are ran off a Sound Digital 3K. Got the TVs in the back. For my alternator, have a 320 amp alternator. Works pretty good. The head unit is a Pioneer. Also have tweeters on each side. And that's about it for all the audio. Alright, this is the demo time. One of Jacob's favorites.
Alright, next on our list for demo videos, we've got Ashton here from Instagram. He's got a Jeep, as you can see, giving a little quick walk around real quick before the demo, a Scar ZVX12 and a 2-to-1 ratio 4th order tuned to 32 Hz on a 1500 watt Scar Marine monoblock. He's got 4 Timpano 6.5 mids and 2 3-inch Timpano super tweeters on a 500 watt Scar Marine amp. So enjoy the demo in a second.
Alright, I got two Mayhem Manufacturing 12s. They're 2000 RMS on a MD5K at 2 ohm. Two 80 amp hour data safe batteries, and then the one under the hood. I got 4 6.5 under the truck, powered by a little Jensen 600 watt. A couple of LEDs around the back window, stuff like that. But I'm gonna let y'all hear this thing.
Next up, then next to the field word. That'll walk the yellow brick road. That's the wizard can get some courage. If I break and it don't do shit, don't quit, nigga, don't get discouraged. Real speed, keep talking shit. All of the niggas in your clique get torched. I'm a nigga, but I bought a dick. Smoked it out, my bottle, bitch.
I ain't got no regrets if I said it, I'm not fucking living. Give me a check, I ain't got no regrets if I said it, I'm not fucking living. I'm a big dog of the team, I'm a fine dirty rich. All the cars can't see, all the cars can't see. Give me a check, I ain't got no regrets if I said it, I'm not fucking living. Give me a second, ain't got no regrets if I said it, I'm not fucking living. I'm a big dog with a 10, I'm a fine dirty rich. All the cars can't see, all the cars can't see.
Alright, and here we are with our fourth demo, last demo of the subscriber videos. Details in the description if you want to be a part of these. This guy, he is on Instagram, as you can see his name, sorry I can't pronounce it. He's got 2 car batteries connected in parallel to make 148 amps, 13.9 volts, always connected to a smart charger with a Pioneer 1000 watt Class D vintage amplifier for the subwoofer in his home audio system. Subwoofer is a Sundown SA12 V1 750 watt RMS sub tuned to 30 Hz with a plexiglass show magnet you'll see in a minute. For the treble speakers, he has 2 vintage home cinema amplifiers that makes 450 watts together on one Onkyo and one Sony amp. The speakers are 1 mid-range 12-inch polycone and 4 horns and 2 4-inch treble speakers. So that's what he's got. Enjoy the rest of this demo, and thanks for everybody watching. See you on the next one. going on, everybody? This is JacobViral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.